Before we get into capturing USB traffic, let's take a look at a typical USB usage scenario and how we configure the hardware for USB capture using the Sodera. Here we have a Bluetooth mouse connected via a Bluetooth USB adapter to a computer that we will call the test PC. The USB adapter is plugged into the test PC USB port. To capture the USB traffic, we insert the Sodera unit into the USB path. The Sodera is connected to another computer we call the Sodera host. The host PC is running the Frontline protocol analysis software. We remove the USB Bluetooth adapter and connect the Sodera HCI USB Type B connector to the test PC USB port. Now the USB adapter is connected to the Sodera HCI USB Type A connector. Any USB traffic between the USB adapter and the test PC is captured and recorded to the Sodera host PC. Since the adapter and Bluetooth mouse are communicating over the air, the Sodera can also capture over-the-air traffic between these Bluetooth devices using the antenna. The Sodera HCI USB connectors are located on the Sodera rear panel. There are two HCI USB ports, HCI USB 1 and HCI USB 2. We will note here that when making capture over a USB port, other HCI captures cannot be done with the corresponding HCI port. To illustrate, if you are using HCI USB 1, you cannot use HCI Pod 1 for UART captures. However, you can use HCI Pod 2 to capture UART traffic. You can simultaneously capture from two USB devices by using the USB 1 and USB 2 ports. The test PC will always be connected to the HCI USB Type B connector. The device under test, that is, the USB adapter, is always connected to the HCI USB Type A connector. Now let's capture the Bluetooth USB traffic. The first step is to configure your Sodera unit for HCI USB capture. In the Sodera window, select Options from the menu and click on Capture Options. The Capture Options dialog opens. HCI USB is a wired capture, so select the Wired tab. In the HCI options, select Interface 1 and choose USB from the drop-down. If you are capturing USB on both ports, repeat this process for HCI Interface 2. Click OK to store the settings on the Sodera unit. To begin the capture of the USB data, click on the Record button and begin communications between the devices under test. Once you have captured the data, you begin the analysis. You can stop recording or continue to record. Clicking the Analyze button will format the captured USB data into time-stamped frames. Open the frame display window. USB protocols and profiles are displayed in purple protocol tabs. When you click on a protocol or profile tab, the associated frames are displayed in the summary pane. Clicking on a frame will display details of the frame in the decoder pane.